But we do not say to the lower house because we cannot dictate on the lower house.
Yes, can we get a comment lang dun sa sinabi ng Makabayan that the President is deliberately blocking the impeachment of Vice President Duterte in Congress. She's referring to yung nangyayari daw po na hesitation to initiate impeachment proceedings na may kinalaman daw po dun sa earlier admission ng Pangulo that he told lawmakers not to file impeachment complaints against the VP.
Ganito, let's understand this in the proper context. No? Ang tinanong kay Presidente is, are you in favor of impeachment? Siyempre, hindi niya sasabihin na in favor siya or he's not in favor because that is the prerogative of the Congress. You know that under the Constitution, the impeachment must emanate from the lower house. Okay? Now, if the President has made a statement at all about that process, it is only an opinion that he stated because he probably, the thinking of the President is that might be distracting us from our agenda and our move forward. No? But we do not say to the lower house because we cannot dictate on the lower house. It is a co-equal, it belongs to a co-equal branch of government. All we were saying, the President was saying to the lower house is, this is my position. But he's not blocking. He's not blocking. He cannot do that. Because it is the discretion of the collective of the lower house. If they decide to initiate, there is no way of preventing that. You remember, many years ago, si Speaker Manny Villar, no? When he endorsed the impeachment complaint against President Erap, no one could have prevented him kasi diniretso niya yung impeachment complaint sa Senate. And immediately the Senate acted. That's all. We have autonomy, independence, and so on. We cannot dictate on the other branches of government.